Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some projects that have. I have here a overdrive from a Volvo M46, a Type J, and I'm going to put it on a 960 automatic gearbox. I'm not sure if it is going to work really, but I just wanted to try. If it works, then I have a 5-speed automatic instead of 4, and I can also choose to engage it on the first gear, second gear, or third gear, and also on the fourth gear. Because I think that's I think it is between 2 and 3, it's a very big gap between the gears. So if you could put this half gear in between, you could even say that this would be a 6-gear automatic, actually, depending on what you want. And I think it would work very good if I can manage to put this one together. It will also make a lower gear. I mean, it will have a low gear ratio on the 5th gear and make it instead of I think it is like 2800 rpm at 120 kilometers an hour, depending on which rear final drive you have, and also what kind of gearbox that you have. But this one will lower the engine speed by about 500 rpm, something like that. 500-600 rpm it will lower again. So yeah, it will be much better in fuel efficiency as well, and that is not a bad thing during these times now when the gas prices is skyrocketing. So this is what I'm doing right now. So I have removed the overdrive. It looks like this, and then you have a like a adapter plate in between the M45, you could maybe say, so that this one will become a M46. And this metal bracket I'm going to see if I will weld. I'm not a welder in any kind, so I will let someone else do it. And I will put it here, so it will be here instead of this one, putting them together. And this one I'm going to chop off here, and then the input shaft, or the output from the gearbox input inside this one, I will cut it off like so. And I'm thinking about, for myself, take this piece that is going to sit here. Oh, and you have the splines here, and I'm thinking about making the splines on that input shaft the same as in this one, so that I can put this one here and use it as an adapter. So the output shaft of this gearbox will go inside this, and then the input shaft from that one will also go inside here, and then this one will sit in between, and we have that adapter plate there as well, the housing. Put it here, and yeah, let's see if it's going to work. I'm not sure, but it is fun to just test. Yeah, so that is what I'm planning to do as well. That is my main project right now. I also have laying around some pipes. I have two turbos, and inside the black car that you have seen me remove the black back seat from, I'm having a T6 engine inside, the one that Volvo had for the S90 with a double turbo. And the engine is there, but I haven't put the turbos on it yet, so that will also be a fun thing to do. If you would like to see it, I can also put some videos about that project. I like to do this kind of stuff, to take something that, yeah, that someone else haven't thought about, or that can just make the life more fun. Okay, everyone, this is just a teaser, so see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because if you want to see this project, then you really need to subscribe. And put in, you can push the button there, and also to put the notifications on, and leave me also a thumbs up. It will help this video to gain more public, and so that people can other people would be, if they are interested about this one, they can also see. Take care, everyone. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.